Hello and welcome back, guys. In this video, I'll show you how I turned an $11 account into a $500. If you watched my previous video, you know that the Euro versus Australian dollar pair is my most favorite pair, and as you can see here, the sell side liquidity has been swept away. Then the price immediately bounced back and started consolidating. To find the liquidity areas, first of all, the chart analysis should be done by setting a higher time frame. Traders basically close all their positions in these areas and start taking new positions again. Now on the 15-minute time frame, you can see a fair value gap, or imbalance area in the extreme zone. Guys, for better understanding, I colored the imbalanced zone yellow. Also, you can see that the imbalanced area is already filled by the price. The term fair value gap, or imbalanced, is particularly popular among price action traders. It arises when there are market inefficiencies, or when buying and selling are not equal. So, as you can see here, the most recent higher high has been broken, resulting in a change of character. This change of character occurs when the most recent lower high is broken in the lower time frame. Then broke the most recent higher high, resulting in a break of structure. So, you can understand how I define a demand zone or order block area. I usually find an order block, or demand zone area, when the market creates a change of character, with imbalanced candles. So, if the liquidity is purged, then the technique is valid. As you can see, this is how I drew my demand zone, or order block area. Guys, when the price touched the imbalance area, it began to consolidate in that range again, and then the price broke through and began to rise. So, this is my internal order block. So, I placed all of my limit buy orders in this internal order block area, and set my stop loss below it. As you can see, here are all of my limit buy orders. Let's see what happened next.
A few moments later.
So, as you can see, the price has just filled some of my limit orders, then begun to go up, and now it is in my profit target area. The price is currently at its most recent higher high. So now, I'm going to close all of my open orders, and book my profits. So, following the first trade, I made my second trade in this account, and the current balance is now $30. I found a second trading opportunity in the gold pair. As you can see here, the gold price is currently in the supply zone area. The gold price entered the supply zone after sweeping the most recent high liquidity, which many traders describe as an inducement in smart money trading, which is also correct. After the inducement, on the lower time frame, the price began to form a lower low and lower high structure. Here, the first lower low broke, and resulted a change of character. And then, broke the second lower low, and created a break of structure. Guys, those lower lows broke with some imbalanced candles. So, this is our most current internal order block or supply zone. You can see, the price already respects the zone. This is another most recent supply zone, following a break of structure. And this is our imbalance area. So, again, I put all of my limit sell orders from the most recent supply zone, or order block area. And put all of my stop losses about the supply zone. Guys, I decreased my position lot size according on my account balance. So, here are all of my sell limit orders, and let's see what happens next.
20 minutes later.
Guys, the price dropped rapidly without filling my limit orders. So, I deleted all pending limit orders and reopened them from the new supply zone again. Guys, I shared this trade idea on my Telegram channel last week. Every week, I try to share my ideas via my Telegram channel. If you want to join, the link is in the description. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and if you learned something from this video, then like and share.
Three hours later.
Guys, after putting those new limit orders, the price filled one limit order, and then instantly went down. As you can see, the price has now reached our first profit target area, also known as the sell side liquidity area. So, I closed my open order with all pending orders, and booked my profits. Guys, finally this is the last trade I executed last week. I identified another possibility in the gold market, and the gold price is currently fluctuating. The most recent higher high has been swept away, as seen here on a higher time frame. Guys, as shown here, the liquidity sweep candle has a full body, but on a different or higher time frame, it is just a wick. Different time frames provide different data, so don't get confused by watching just the one time frame. Here, the price broke the lower low, causing a change of character. The price then broke another lower low, resulting in a break of structure. I'm always wait for these two broken structures to certify my entry. This is my style, and I always follow my trading strategy. So, after the change of character, this is the order block for the reason, or, as I prefer to call it, a supply zone. The price is currently in the supply zone, and has started consolidating at this range. Guys, you can see that. Also, this supply zone was similarly built with imbalanced candles. As always, I colored the imbalance area yellow. So, there's sufficient reason to enter from the supply zone area. And I placed all of my orders from this zone. And, as always, I set all of my stop losses at the supply zone's high. So, here are all of my open and pending orders. Guys, I usually don't focus on money management while recording videos. However, you should always focus on risk management, and never risk more than 2 to 5% of your account balance. I am a full margin trader, that is why my stop losses are sometimes worthless, but I included them to demonstrate how my strategy works. So, before opening a position, my advice is to always calculate the lot size, based on how many pips you want to risk. Now, here's the demand zone or my profit target area. So, let us see where the price goes.
A few moments later.
See, price dropped from that level, causing a creation of new structures. So, here's the change of character. And, this is a break of structure. Guys, this is our most recently established supply zone. So I replaced all of my entries from here. Here are my other 3 positions. One is an open order, the rest are pending orders. So, let's see what happened next.
One hour later.
Guys, the price has fallen from the supply zone, and entered another demand zone. So, I closed all of my trades and saved my earnings to ensure that I'm safe. So, now I will wait for the price to hit my extreme profit target zone and move the stop loss to break even. So that, if it doesn't reach my level, the order will automatically close with no loss. Guys, my broker link is in the description, and you will receive a $30 welcome bonus after signing up. Do not miss out. Sign up now. So, now two things can happen in the market. The price will either drop or goes up. So let's see what happens. Oh, one essential tip that I want to share, that is to avoid overtrading. Only enter trades when the market meets all of the conditions. Oh man. The price has just reached this demand zone, and then gone up. I honestly missed to place my take profit target. But I did not lose anything. So that's it for this week. If you don't understand anything, please text me or leave a comment in the box. Good luck with your trading.